Running.
We're talking about different kinds of roads and houses.
Seely's reading.
That's me.
There's no text at all.
Right. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Did you see it? Oh, that's the book with the dinosaur. It's information about a dinosaur.
Can you read it? Let me see.
Well, that's the page with nothing on it. Do you want to try and find a page with some ABC on it? There you go. There's the dinosaur page. Now you can read the ABC. Do you see
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Do you see any O's in the ABC? See an O? I think I see an O.
That's one on it.
Oh, there's the boy. There he is.
It's rat. It's rat.
A red.
No. That's me. Why?
Here's the other book. Oh, there's the books. Oh, Daddy has one of the books. He's reading it.
What's that mean? What is that? It don't mean what. Where does it?
That's why they wouldn't, unless you're going to
What?
air condition or something like that.
No, we did it with the folks this summer, wasn't it?
Look. Look.
Spring, it's
Look. It's down in there.
Should try to do it
Absolutely.
Can I see that book?
That's a really nice book. I was so very pleased. I just found it today.
Can I see that book, Seely?
I run in there.
Oh, you would like to do the walking on it?
Are you going to go?